Hey everybody, hope you're all doing great today. We are excited to introduce to you the new Micro SlingPAK. This is something we worked on for a while now with another large law enforcement agency that they wanted a solution that would fit their officers to carry in a patrol car that wasn't as big as our SlingPAK, but much larger than a normal IFAK. So this is the solution we came up with, and this is called the Micro SlingPAK. I'm going to give you an overview of the bag and some of the options we're going to offer, and we'll get right into it. So the bag itself, typically about 11 to 12 inches by 12 inches and about 7 inches depth. The unique part to it is we made the sling part here slightly smaller than the original SlingPAK. It's still padded. It just has one row of MOLLE. You'll still get the gloves in the top right here. Next, we kept the magnetic strap so you can be able to move it around. I'll show you how we would wear this. So this is meant to be worn as a sling like this. It does have quite a bit of adjustability. You can kind of see how it looks on the back. And then the magnetic strap will come up to here. And that way it doesn't have a chance of sliding off your shoulder if you're running with it. To disengage this, you just pull that, and then you can grab your SlingPAK off. So we stayed consistent with the 3 handles. However, we added a red identifying handle to always orient yourself to the top of the bag. And we'll kind of go from there. So on the back side of the bag, we have our micro litter. So you're familiar with that. So you can kind of see that that fits in the back. If you wanted to put something else in there, we still have a Velcro that you can put a CCW or firearm and so forth. So that's an option for that. Both sides now have MOLLE capability. So if you wanted to add a fire extinguisher on the side, you can do that. If you wanted to add some magazines for your AR or pistol on the other side, you can do that. The inside of the bag is where it's kind of unique. But real quick on the front, what we did differently is we took the idea from the battle pack where you can remove the tourniquet and you can now put this on the front, or you'll see another bag that's inside on the front. But you can orient these to the direction you want. We made these all solid, so it's much stronger, the Velcro. There's no MOLLE on the front. And you will be able to order these with 2 options. One is with the awesome S-cut. This will be standard option 1. And the other option is with the X shear. So both will come with a retractor. You'll have either the X shear, which are our favorite trauma shears, and then the S cuts is a different solution for moving clothes. It's extremely effective of cutting clothes, and it has 5 settings. Once your the cutting blade gets dull, you have 5 more sections you can go to. But this is a great option. The agency that we made this for actually liked it to go all S cuts. In the front, you will have your Sharpie, you'll have duct tape, and then you'll have what we've been putting. This is for your just cuts and scrapes. So some bandages on the front. So you'll see that. And now we'll get into the inside of the bag. So like the SlingPAK, the unique part here is that this is all very durable and it's really rugged. However, if you want to open it fast, it still allows you to do that by just ripping that open. What we did inside that's slightly different than the rest, and you'll see here in a second, is the concept is 3 of everything. So 3 tourniquets on the front, 3 pressure bandages, 3 wraps, 3 quick clot, 3 regular wound packing gauze, and then 3 sets of chest seals. However, we added a full rip away IFAK in here. So if you're with a partner and you want to send this over to them, you can do that. Inside here, you have everything that our law enforcement TraumaPAK have. So you're going to have a Sharpie, a shears, you'll have gloves, you'll have a tourniquet, you'll have regular gauze, you'll have your quick clot, you'll have pressure dressing, and you will have a pressure wrap and a chest seal combo pack. This is all in this rip-away bag. Now remember I was saying you can use this bag in the front. So imagine that I wanted to carry this slightly differently, let's say I wanted to have an IFAK on the front of the bag, what I could do is I can remove my tourniquets or I can remove my shears and put them to the side. And I can now run this bag with an IFAK on the front. So if I needed to throw this to your partner, rip that away, throw that, and I still have 3 of everything to treat myself or partners. So this is our new micro SlingPAK. It's only available right now in black. We have a limited amount. If this is something that we want more colors of, we'll do that in the future. Right now, we're only going to have it in a version that gives you either the S-cut and the X-shear, as well as 3 levels that we're offering: the active bystander, the first responder, and the medic. The difference will be similar to the SlingPAK and BattlePAK. So I hope you guys like this new innovative product. We've worked hard on this. We're really excited to launch it. It really meets the need of agencies that are looking for something that's a little smaller than the SlingPAK, but also ultimately that can treat multiple patients. So this is the micro SlingPAK.